Hi, I'm Fasu. Today I will be showing you how I did my Mikan makeup. So if you want to learn how to do it, just keep on watching. Okay, so now that we are bald again and also without eyebrows, we can start again. So we're going to start by doing the eyes. I'm going to start by using this pink. I want to make it look like I've been crying or something like that. So I will be using it almost like it was a blush or something like that. And then we will blend it downwards. Now with my finger I will be using this purple. It's like almost like a lilac. I don't know, something like that. With my finger I will be putting it here. Just to give it a little bit of variety to the look. And to finish the upper part, we will be using shiny color. Don't do this at home. With my other finger, I will be putting it on the inner corner of the eye. And then like here. This will make our eyes appear like more awake and also bigger. Now I will be putting a bit of white pencil on my waterline and also around here to make my eye appear bigger. Now that we have that, we can also put eyeshadow down here. I'll try to make eye bags, so I will be starting here, and also will be using a lot of eyeshadow and later a darker eyeshadow around here. You will see. Can see the difference that this eye looks a lot more bigger than this one, so we will do the same on the other one. You can also blend it out like downwards because I have put my blush around this area because again we want to look like we've been crying because Mikan cries a lot, so we'll be using the pink around here and blending it downwards. And now with a tiny bit of this purple, we will be using it to create more eye bags. Just a tiny bit. What I'm doing also is putting more of the product here and then blending the product that is left. Now I'll be moving on to the eyeliner, and I want to make kind of a bigger, I don't know, I can't find the word, but I want to make a kind of bigger eyeliner so it looks, I don't know, you will see. Downwards and like a little bit longer. Okay, so kind of like this. And now I'll be putting the eyeliner around here to make it droopy. As you may have guessed, yes, I do like sad and droopy looking characters. Now we'll be putting on a bit of mascara and also fixing the inner corners. Oh, and also I always forget to put Mikan's mold. Like I think I've been to... No, I haven't been to cons without the mold, but I have done a ton of TikTok videos without the mold, and I see them later, and it's a bit embarrassing. But well, first I have to find where the mole is, because mostly I don't remember. But for example, you can look for something in your body that reminds you where your left and your right side is. Or also you can search for the image and do something like this, like her mole is here. You can see it, but it's here. So what I will do is I will take my mirror and look at the mirror or at the viewfinder, and I will say like, well, her mole is here and my eye is here, so I will put the mole here. So it's kind of a little trick. And also realistic moles aren't black, I think. I'm not a dermatologist, but you can also make your mole with a brownish, like very dark brown color. Yay. Here it is. We're going to do our next step, which is the eyebrows. So we're moving on to the eyebrows. So an eyebrow pencil, something like this, is very angled and very small. And I will grab this color, which is very similar here, which is very similar to Mikan's hair. She still has very dark hair in person, and what I will do is, well, I will put my mirror beside the... Okay, and I will start from here and from here. So you don't want to make it super angled. You just want to make it a tiny bit angled. You will see. Now I will do the lips. So my lips are very dry right now because I have put the base over my lips, so they are super dry. I will use a little bit of this thing, lip balm, just a tiny bit. This one has a bit of color as well. And now I will use this color, which is like very similar to mine. It's not like very pink or anything. And now I will blend it with my finger to make it look bigger. Something like this. Like a little bit, I don't know, a little bit overline, but not that much. And mainly over this, because if you blend it upwards it will look like you're a clown and we don't want that. And also I have this thing, it's not really like a lipstick, it's more, I don't know, it really blends well. It's like a purple, violet, dark pink color. I don't know, it's very weird. It's this one. It's a NYX one. I will put it around here. And little by little we will be having more colors. I used to make the Mikan lips super dark, and also the famous Mikan crying mascara dripping stuff, but I don't really like it that much now. If you still do that, it's okay, but it's not my thing anymore. For me it kinda looks like it's bruised, like the famous Kylie Jenner disaster when everyone wanted to have Kylie Jenner lips and they started plumping them with bottle caps and stuff like that. I don't know, it was a crazy time. I don't know, it reminds me of it. I don't know why. So now that we're finished, I'm going to put on the wig and I'll see you there. So we are finally done. Another advice that I will give you is never brush your Mikan wig because it looks better when it's all tangled up and ugly. I don't know, it just looks more realistic. So as always, if you like this video, just leave a comment and also subscribe. And also if you stay the whole way, I'm really happy. Thank you. It really helps me a lot. I will try to make more videos. If you have any suggestions, please also let me know in the comments, and I'll see you another day. Bye!